ladies, did you know you need to wear sunscreen every day? Fun fact, whether you're playing sports or commuting to work, yes, even while you drive, sunscreen is a must for all, 365 days a year, on sunny or cloudy days, and should be reapplied every 2 hours for maximum protection. It's recommended that everyone wear broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher for any outdoor activity, and that includes a quick walk. Fun fact! There are two types of sunscreens, a chemical and a mineral. Chemical sunscreen absorbs UV rays and converts them into harmless energy. Mineral sunscreen, also known as physical sunscreen, forms a barrier on your skin that helps to reflect and scatter UV rays. Both are effective at protecting skin from UV rays, so use whichever you prefer. Did you know mineral sunscreen doesn't have to leave a white cast? Fun fact, zinc oxide, a naturally white powder often used in mineral sunscreen, can leave a white cast on the skin. That's why I always recommend you to moisturize before you apply mineral sunscreen, like Mary Kay Mineral Facial Sunscreen SPF 30 for the best experience. Ooh, that looks refreshing. Did you know that the right sunscreen will protect your skin even while you swim or sweat? Fun fact, Mary Kay Sunscreen SPF 50 is water resistant for 80 minutes of fun. It also provides weightless coverage from head to toe with a film-free feel when you're outside all day. And finally, after a long, fun day in the sun, I like to use Mary Kay After Sun Replenishing Gel to cool off and give my skin a little extra moisture. Trust me, you're gonna want this.